캠갈레 Universal Studio. Any that the sugar and the breakfast science on Tadinia Drode, choose Google go chair, then choose Chagas. Oh, then a cannabis demo, Lulu Sirona. Any that the get the Tiresha Universal Studio Hollywood. Thanks for watching the way part and creation. Pagi di Tiresha parking lot resha temo ta train. Tanga zo sanga di dire di shego jik sanga Hilton re ngazo del te ne de para de la khumba jam tra to jama kya na zo phege na sanga del shuna ya go do ya dana the Universal Studio le tha sa nanglo de Supercharged ta nanglo gate ni pass cha do gate tampo de pass cha sai Ada dini ada ada. Saya sama par jab desa. Ada dini ya dua resha.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Good morning. Whoa, good morning.
Houston, we have a problem. We're on a mission from God. No! Gary's license!
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the world famous Universal Studio Tour. As you make your way as exit 2, don't forget a dollar pair of 3D glasses. Once again, as you exit 2, don't forget a dollar pair of 3D glasses. I will leave for a £15 TV and license period for the charge. Thank you for joining us. Before we go,
You see my own picture, they were 3D. 3D.
Not everything we're going to drive by is fake. Like that's a real fire station. You can take a picture. You know, they have these in every city. And people are like, fire truck. So what's going on the lot today? What's filming? We have a couple of stages we're passing by, right behind all the production trucks. Stages 20, 19, and 18. All three of these are being used for a new show, Bel Air. And Bel Air is a reboot of The Fresh Prince of Bel Air. And this show came about because a guy named Morgan Cooper made a video and he uploaded it to YouTube. And the premise of the video was, what if The Fresh Prince of Bel Air was a drama instead of a comedy? Will Smith saw the video and he liked it so much that he's now the executive producer of a show that's based on that guy's 4-minute video. Bel Air is going to be streaming on the Peacock Network, and that's a streaming network owned by NBC Universal. Something else that films here for the Peacock Network is Saved by the Bell. Now all this production over here on the left side of the channel, this is for Hacks. Hacks is on HBO Max. They just started working on their second season. Gene Smart, the star of the show, just won an Emmy for portraying the character on the show. So they're filming inside Soundstage 21 right now. 21 had also been used for Saved by the Bell and Superstore. Earlier this year, Superstore had its final episode. On the show, they worked in a big store called Cloud 9. The set of the store was built inside that stage. I have to keep looking around as we drive by every soundstage because this is where we currently work on Kenan with Kenan Thompson and Don Johnson. Up until this point right here, for the first 5 minutes of the tour, we've been driving past production offices and sound stages. This is the front lot. Now we cross the border into the back lot, over here on the right. And the back lot is where we have all the sets that are just too big to fit inside the sound stages. This is where we're going to go for the rest of the tour. We have sets in our back lot that look like city streets. We're going to drive right through the middle of an old western town. We still have the European village on our back lot from a lot of classic horror movies like Frankenstein and Dracula. So we're going to take the tram all around these streets. The first set that I'm going to point out from the movie is right across the grass over here on the right. That building with the 5 set of steps is where Jim Carrey and Jennifer Aniston lived in Bruce Almighty.
Praise the dog!
That's our back lot right there. B-E-A-U. Now we're about to head into an area that's currently all decorated, ready for filming. This is the part of the back lot that we use for our comedy series, Rutherford Falls, which streams on the Peacock Network. They're currently working on their second season. That's Matt over there waving. He's one of our VIP guides. If you take the VIP tour, every now and then you get off the vehicle, walk around some of our famous sets. Like this set, not only is it used for Rutherford Falls, it was Hill Valley in Back to the Future. That City Hall building, that was the clock tower that got hit by lightning. 2 years before Back to the Future came out, Norman Bates was released from that courthouse in Psycho 2. 19 years in the latest, in the Fast and Furious franchise, F9, we have Dominic Toretto's famous black Charger parked right in the middle. There's an orange race car on the right and a blue race car in the back used in the opening scene of F9 when Dominic Toretto's father was racing. There's a yellow Camaro with black stripes. That's a Bumblebee that was used in Transformers. All of these picture cars have been abandoned. Nobody knows what happened to the original owners. All of them disappeared very shortly. After checking, I recognize Mrs. Bates upstairs. Do you see her? That is a handsome woman. Look what happened behind the Psycho House. An airplane crashed and it destroyed the whole neighborhood. This is a set that Steven Spielberg had built for War of the Worlds.
The airplane crash is a perfect example of a set that is all designed by Steven.
Yeah, sit down and talk about the world. I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
We are about 10 minutes until the end of the tour. We're almost back into the theme park. One last reminder, if you have any type of emergency before the tour is over, please pull that red cord above you and remain seated.
Robbie, get in. Get in.
Clint Eastwood had also directed a movie on our backlot involving a major plane accident. Eastwood's movie was Sully, based on a true story. It had Tom Hanks playing a pilot who was forced to land his plane in the Hudson River. All the scenes in the movie.
Control of this whole operation. My name is Special Agent Luke Hobbs of the U.S. Diplomatic Security Service, and as of 16.9 seconds ago, I'm the man in charge.
The hell you are.
Let me clue you in on two things, sweet cheeks. One, there's a high-value witness from the Federal Protection Program. Two, an international crime syndicate led by Owen Shaw is honing in on this vehicle to take that witness out. Charles is
Favor, because they brought us here to hide and there's a party in the building. Alright, I'm going to be back in a little while. I'm required to get off the train and join them.
Everybody out! The FBI! Turn that music off!
Why are you breaking up the party? We just got here. Everybody's leaving? Hey, wait a minute. What are we doing?
This is what we're doing. This is the race day after party. And the what other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Damn.
That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. Got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here. Otherwise, we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours.
Hobbs, escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
Got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of this.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate. Shaw traced us. Ops can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle. It's about to get real interesting. I'm Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
This is our turn.
After them!
Okay, guys, it's showtime. Coming it up. Feel it moving fast enough. Roman, Letty, hook him up. Now we're moving.
You can be the witness to another one calling his name! The witness is mine, Letty!
How about you eat asphalt?
Don't think you're getting away! Find him!
Way to go, Letty. Missile shot. Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got this. Hit the nitrous.
Alright, let's hear it for Fast and Furious Supercharged!
Mona Lisa got messed up. good. We got through it.
T-Rex, pushing it off a cliff, while Jeff Goldblum, Julianne Moore, and Vince Vaughn are trapped inside. Because it's pretty easy. We're going to stop here in Old Mexico and create a little storm. And we're not going to use any computer effects. We're not going to use any CGI. We're going to do it the old way with sprinklers. So we have sprinklers hidden in the trees around in the area. We're going to turn them on and show you how easy it is to make it rain. Where's the rain? It's supposed to be easy. There we go. Now the problem with this special effect, we run it all day. Every time a tram stops in Old Mexico, it starts raining. The set is built on a hill. And over the course of the day, there's a lot of water building at the top of the hill. At one point, it will all rush down, creating a flood. And sometimes the flood hits one of our trams as we're driving through. Well, this morning, we're that tram. So be careful if you're sitting on the left. There's a flood coming. There it is. Now, if you look over the monitors, you're going to see that flash flood in a scene from a family comedy, Big Fat Liar.
I'm not supposed to be here. I can't risk going to the bad place.
Maybe it's not all that bad. What is the bad place like?
It doesn't sound awesome.
That scene from the first episode filmed directly in front of the train. The set with the one door that's open, that was yogurt on the show. These are the same sets from our classic horror movies in the 30s and 40s. This is the village in Frankenstein. It's in Dracula, the Wolfman, the original, the Invisible Man. This courtyard on the right is where they would shoot the scenes in all those movies where the big mob of angry villagers would gather with the torches and the pitchforks, and they're getting ready to hunt down the monsters. This is also Little Europe. We've been driving past all of our exterior sets, but next we're going to take you through one of our sound stages, show you an example of a set that's built indoors. There's nothing in this stage in 3D, so you don't have to put on the 3D glasses as we drive through. It's a set that looks like a subway station. And we're going to be stopping the tram inside the stage if you want to take some pictures, but even when we come to a complete stop, please remember to release. There's a track that runs the whole length of the stage off to the left. They built 2 cars of a subway train that they can roll back and forth on that track for filming. There was an episode of Bones that filmed inside the stage a few years ago with David Boreanaz and Emily Deschanel, and they were shooting some scenes at night, and they waited for our tours to finish film. Okay, hold on. That was an earthquake! Everybody hang on.
Earthquake ya, sayang.
broke.
But